Good afternoon, students. The eighth exercise in our second lesson we are going to see now. Complétez la phrase avec le gerund. Complete the sentence with the gerund. So we have to learn new tense here, that is gerund. Okay. What is gerund? Instead of using by, gerund means by or why. So before seeing that, see the first sentence in our textbook. First one. Les élèves écoutez le professeur. The students are writing, listening to the teacher. Bracket, it is listening. Teacher. Second one. Jamais regarder la télé dash manger. I like to watch television dash to eat. Bracket is given verb is to eat. Third one. Mon père refait dash dormir. My father is snoring dash to sleep. Dormir. That is to sleep. Fourth one. My mère chante. Mother is singing dash faire to do. La cuisine to do the cooking. Fifth sentence. Nous faisons notre project. We are doing our project dash. Bracket is given the verb consulter seat verb. Consulter the seat verb. To consult the website or to check the website. See here, in each sentence we have two verbs. Écrire, écouter. Regarder, manger. Ronfler, dormir. Chanter, faire. Faisons and consider. See here, in first verb are always present in unconjugated or present tense. But you have to conjugate the second verb, that is it is given in the infinitive form. So we have to conjugate. Second verb you have to use in gerund tense, you have to conjugate. Gerund is always used when two verbs in the same subject. That is, two actions are done by with the same subject. Two actions are done by the same subject. Here students is the subject, writing, at the same time they are listening the teacher. So we have to change the use gerund for one verb, and the translations will become using the écouter verb. Okay. How to use gerund we will see now. We have to see some rules using the gerund. Gerund verb normally it is very easy, and you have to be confident and you are thorough in the present tense also. Okay. Same way second one. I like to watch television while eating. Manger is in gerund form, you have to write. Okay. While. My dad was roaring while sleeping. My mother was singing while cooking. We are doing our project while consulting the website. So when the same action is doing, how to Jarantha is converted using en instead of while and by plus present present participles. You have to use it. So while en is call it as while plus past participle. Sorry, present participles. While en is considered here as while or by. Okay. So how to find the present participle? Gerund means en plus present participle. So first we have to learn how to write the present participles. So present participle rule is equal to stem plus ending. Same model. How we did in imperfect form. Imperfect. That is stem and ending. First you have to find out the stem. For present tense of the new form you have to check it, and second step you have to remove ons, same model, new form of the present tense, and remove ons. New form is always ending in ons. You have to remove this ons and add ant. In this place you have to add ant, ending. Okay. See here. Remember stem and ending. Stem is the new form of the present tense. Remove ons, and ending you have to add ant. This is for all the verb is it's a general verb. Only 3 verb is the exceptions. That is irregular present tense. So what is the 3 verb? That is irregular 3 verb. Present participle verb is, just to note it, être. Être present participle word is e acute ant. Être new form is nosome, but it won't come like this. You have to write like this, et and ant. And second one is hour. Hour is ayant. The present participle is ayant for hour. Remember this. Hour to have, aeon having. Savoir. Savoir you have to present like this, schant. Present participles. These 3 verb you must keep in your mind. Savoir to know, session is knowing. Okay, so you must keep this in your mind. Parler. Parler you just check it. Parler in present form of parler is new form you have to take it. en is represent for Jaranthe rules, en added. Present participle for parler is parlons, but you have to remove ons. Parler and add ant. Its meaning is while speaking. So parler is equal to un parlons while speaking. So keep this in your mind, then it is easy for you. Second one, they just check it. Travailler, if it is conjuncted in present participle, use un, that is conjugate for Jorantha. Travailler, by working or while working. So you just keep this in your mind. So this everything you just recollect. Jarantha is equal to en plus past participle present participle. Then present participle word is stem plus ending, and some example is given there. Now see the exercise. This 5 sentence we can use and change it. First verb is écouter. First step you have to add en, and second step is find the stem of the écouter. Present participle's new form is écoute. ONS and add ANT. Les élèves écrivent en écoutant le professeur. The students are writing while listening the teacher. Second one. Jamais regarder la télé, manger. First add eat and expressions. The new form of the manger is mangions. That new form remove ONS and add ANT. You get the Jaranta form of manger. Jamais regarder la télé en mangeant. I like to watch television while eating. Third one. Dormir is the verb. So you have to write the expression as en. A new form of the dormir is stem is do. D-O-R-M. A new form of the dormir, you remove ONS and write. And ending ANT. Now conjugated the verb in gerundive form. My dad is snoring while sleeping. Fair. Fair, how to conjugate using a gerundive. Put en as the condition. And new form of the present tense for fair is faisons. Remove ONS and add ANT. Formation en faisant la cuisine. My mother is singing while cooking. Last sentence. Put en as the rule for gerundive. And new form of this verb is consecutive. Remove ONS and add ANT. So you will get the answer for fifth one. Check whether we are doing our project while consulting the website or by checking the website. Like this you can conjugate. It is very easy. Revise it, girls. Thank you.